Okay, some Made in New York City factory footage. Take it away. I'll narrate some of it.
Beautiful.
And that is also back up and running. We're getting there.
And we're making crickets.
We're making crickets. So expect
crickets?
more things in stock. Here's some beautiful, amazing boards, fresh.
Also, selective. Look, we have selective on the Ethernet jack.
Yeah. And then next up, people were asking, there's a blog post with our protecting your privacy for a link to this app if you want to see it. But
these are cool apps, yeah.
Yeah, what this does is it just blurs out the faces while you take video.
Okay, let me get serious.
Have our own version of a contact tracer app, but we call it Pathfinder because of the way the App Store works. We're still trying to get it approved. But you can see there's, this is our route where we've been going with the protests. There's 1s and 2, and it's been phenomenal. There is people out. There's more people wearing masks than when you walk through the village and people having brunch.
It's true.
We're out there showing our support. We have PPE when folks need it. They have fantastic organization. So we've been able to participate. A lot of our team members are out there as well. We want to support them. We went by Stonewall. That was earlier in the week. And there's a lot of beautiful street art around New York City right now. Businesses are changing their outside to show their support. These are commissioned local artists, and they want to make sure here's important messages, so check those out. And then, of course, it wouldn't be Made in New York City factory footage without the unending construction across the street of Adafruit. It is almost 24/7. I don't think they are aware of the things that have been going on in the world for the last 3 months. It is loud. It is forever. It is the most consistent thing.
Look at this, like these concrete trucks just coming in, dumping concrete.
If someone said, what's the most consistent thing in your life, I would say this construction.
For sure.
Yeah, so we'll see if they raise our rent later on when our lease is up, if this thing is built or not. Okay.